Hey guys, how you doing? Here we are. Brain challenge number 3. Can you create the following shape? But the caveat is you can't repeat any lines, and you also cannot lift your marker or pen from the paper. Good luck.